In this video, I'm going to show you how you can effectively connect WhatsApp to your Facebook account, okay? Let's get started. And guys, in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Once you open your Facebook app, what you want to do is click on your profile picture located to the right in the top corner. This one here, this is my profile picture. Just click on it. Then the next thing you'll do is locate the gear icon. Some people call it the settings icon, but I normally like to refer it as the gear icon. This one, just tap on it like this. This one will give you settings options. Now I want you to follow every step here so don't make any mistake, okay? That will ruin the whole process. Just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, just scroll down until you see this place for your activity. Under your activity, you will see a button for WhatsApp. Just tap on the button. Then you will enter your WhatsApp number. You will start with your country code. For instance, here I'm in Kenya, so my country code will be 254. So maybe you are in the US now, yours will start from +1, but in Kenya it is +254. And go ahead and enter the rest of your number. After doing that, tap on send to WhatsApp. This one will enable you to link your WhatsApp and Facebook so that your clients or followers can directly text you on WhatsApp. If you found value in this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you.